From ActionableOps, here's how to put Hermes on WhatsApp with no Meta developer account. You pair a number, scan a QR code, and start chatting. First, the honest catch. WhatsApp has no official bot API outside their business product, so Hermes uses a bridge called Bailey's that emulates WhatsApp Web. It works well, but it's unofficial, so there's a small risk of account limits. Use a dedicated number, not your personal one, keep it conversational, and don't blast strangers. If you're running a real business bot and want no ban risk, check the WhatsApp Cloud API guide instead. You get two modes. Bot mode dedicates a separate phone number to the agent, and people message that number directly. That's the clean option and the one to use. Self-chat mode uses your own WhatsApp, where you message yourself to reach the agent. That's fine for a quick test, one person only. Setup is one command. Run Hermes WhatsApp. The wizard asks which mode, installs the bridge, and prints a QR code right in your terminal. On your phone, open WhatsApp, go to Settings, Linked Devices, tap Link a Device, and point the camera at the code. Once it pairs, the session saves on its own. For bot mode, you need a number that isn't already on WhatsApp. 3 easy ways. Google Voice, free in the US. A prepaid SIM, $5 to $15 once, then it can sit in a drawer. Or an internet calling app like Text Now, though WhatsApp blocks some of those, so you may try a couple. Now lock it down. In your .env, set WhatsApp enabled to true, WhatsApp mode to bot, and WhatsApp allowed users to the numbers you trust, with the country code and no plus sign. Use a star to allow everyone. Skip this and the gateway denies every message by default. Start it with Hermes Gateway or Hermes Gateway install to run it as a service. The bridge reuses the saved session, so it survives restarts with no rescan. That session folder holds full access to the WhatsApp account, so protect it like a password and never commit it. A couple of things for the long run. WhatsApp updates their web protocol now and then, which can break the bridge, so if it stops, update Hermes and run Hermes WhatsApp to repair. One nicety, if several messages arrive in a burst, Hermes merges them into one request, and you can tune that with text batch delay, seconds under Gateway Platform's WhatsApp Extra, or set it to 0 to turn it off. And for a private number, set unauthorized DM behavior to ignore so strangers get no reply. That's Hermes on WhatsApp, built by Nous Research, and for more how-tos like this, that's ActionableOps.com.